Colin again from AirJamaicaCheapTickets.com, and we're here today to talk to you about how to find the cheapest, the least expensive tickets on Air Jamaica to visit the island, and that's coming from a range of destinations. In fact, we've been able to provide you with roughly around, say, around 30 destinations. You've got Alberta, Canada, British Columbia, California, Cayman Islands, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Germany, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Italy, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, New Jersey, New York, Tennessee, South Carolina, Spain, Texas, United Kingdom, and the list goes on and on and on and on and on. And you can pick a destination whether you're going to Kingston, Montego Bay, Negril, Ocho Rios, or any other Jamaican spot, whether it's Clarendon, Mandeville, Manchester, Portland, wherever. And the reason why I did this is because normally when you have hotel and flight arrangements, get much cheaper options, and we're here today to actually show you exactly how to actually get the least expensive costing ticket, even if you decide not to fulfill your hotel stay. So that's one of the major things that many people don't actually know, is that you can book a package deal, but you don't actually have to take up that package deal. Okay, fine. So here we go. What we wanted to do is to go ahead and go to your browser and type in www.airjamaicacheaptickets.com.jm. And of course, on the front of it, you'll actually find two young ladies who got their Air Jamaica cheap tickets very, 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 very cheap. In fact, I'll just tell you, it was less than 80 bucks, and they were actually coming from New York, and that was 80 one way, so it was $160 both ways, and after taxes were added to that, it was something around like 250. So 250 bucks to fly from New York to Jamaica and then back, and you can't beat that price. I mean, that's just absolutely crazy. And these are really, really, really cheap tickets. And if you want to get tickets and offers like that, you've got to come to www.airjamaicacheaptickets.com. And of course, you've got more information and data on, say, all-inclusive vacations. We've got more information on airlines. We've got some great data, of course, on anything that has to do with traveling to the island. We've got the cheapest airline tickets, flight deals. We've got a privacy policy, and you can actually contact us directly for bookings. And of course, you can subscribe to our RSS feed or visit any one of the links on our page to find the lowest and the least costing tickets to visit the island of Jamaica, traveling on Air Jamaica, of course. Or in fact, we've got many other airlines as well, and we will actually allow you to go ahead and visit the website to see an option of those for yourselves. So okay guys, so we're waiting to see you here in Jamaica. So till then, take care.